Oh, get another shell in your gun.
You coming?
He's going right back. Shoot him again. Come on. Ah.
We got pretty much a perfect situation today. We got a strong northeast wind. We got speckled-bellied geese mixed in with a bunch of snows, and they're working great trying to get into that wind. And we're well hidden. Got a super trained dog to go fetch them. Perfect day down in Gaydon.
Get ready. On top. Go ahead. Shoot them snow. Got him. Good shot. Shoot some snows.
Nice.
Shoot some smacks.
Here you go.